All right, guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my PicassoTiles 400 piece 0.5 inches pixel magnetic cubes. As a homeschool mom, I am always looking for exciting activities to help my kids learn important basic skills while having fun. So I was very excited when I came across this magnetic cube set. This set comes with 10 different colors of cubes, 40 each, making a total of 400 little magnet cubes. I love that it is a bigger set. We actually have a smaller set, and with 3 kids, we definitely needed more cubes so that everyone gets to play with it and have fun. It also comes with a pack of cards that has all kinds of shapes that you can build with the magnets. Each card tells you how many cubes you need for each color to build the specific shape on the card. It also shows you step by step what to put on each layer. Once the kids start playing, they could keep going for hours trying to build all the different shapes on the cards. And they also try to build their own shapes and create with their own imagination. I especially love that they forget about screen time and get to learn, play, build creativity, and have fun all at the same time. If you are in the market for a fun educational magnet set that helps children learn and be creative, either for your own family or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion, this is definitely worth looking into.